Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add subtasks within Notion very easily. So there are very advanced ways of adding subtasks, but I am going to show you the simple way of adding to-do lists and subtasks in a to-do list very easily. So basically you need to type slash and then search for to-do list, and this is just a normal task, so let's call it task 1. Then press enter and this is gonna add another task, but we want to add a subtask. So basically let's call this task 3 and then press enter again, but then do not call it task 4, but press tab like this, and you can call this subtask 1. So basically like this, you have task 1, task 2, task 3, and now you have a subtask of task 3. So you can press enter when you're at the end of subtask 1 to add another subtask. And this works every time as long as you add some text. So once you press enter once more, and now since you didn't add text, you when you press enter, this will add a normal task. So as you can see, task 4, task 5, and once again when you want to make this a subtask, press tab and you can add subtasks very easily. And this is again a normal task. So this is very useful. You can get really organized with this. You can check everything off if you want to, like this. Very nice, and it works perfectly fine. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.